I actually did look at it yesterday, and see, I this trend line here. We came, we were. It was kind of like this level. I know it's not to a T. It's not to every like little candle, but it shows you, this decline here and how we were printing higher lows. Um, Eventually, yeah, we came up here, we had that M formation, we had drop level 1. This was obviously this moment when Bitcoin, with the whole Luna and sell off and all that, the push down below. It was a little bit, sad to see Uno lose this level of support around the 12, 13 cents. But I'm not surprised either, in a way, because the market was full of blood, flooding everything, and because of the Bitcoin drop, what I would say with Uno, right? If you're looking to get in, wait. If you want, this is a coin I personally am thinking of long term for the next bull run, and get as much as possible. But if you want to get some of it, either wait for the drop again, because it will all obviously depend now on Bitcoin. And because we came down to all around like the 4 cent mark, if Bitcoin comes down, you have that wick here, and you have the one around 4 cents. So either wait for that bottom to be tested again, or I personally, the second choice would be coming back above the 12 cents and getting that support. Like, we could get some support here as well. If we get support, if Bitcoin is looking strong, if the market is looking okay, you could look at maybe getting bags right now, but we are below resistance. If I'm assuming, Milky, you want to, you wouldn't trade this personally yourself.
I'm not very much a trader, so from a long-term investment point of view, I'm looking at the next bull market for this one. This is definitely a gem that I think is going to be an absolute bomb. So entry point wouldn't matter as much to me, but because I have been touting about this quite a lot, I know that it's made a lot of people interested. So, that's one of the reasons why I want you to look at it, so it gives people an indication of an ideal entry point for them, if they decide to look into it.
Look, it could come down and just come back here and retest this and get into this wedge and break above. I'm just personally thinking, if you're risking any investments, it doesn't matter whether it's Uno or anything at all. I think everybody needs to shift their mindsets to, we might be in this zone for a little bit longer. We might see lower. And there isn't conviction, and there isn't like anything concrete, really. We just cannot assume anything here at this point. So if you are, just be conscious of it. Maybe set a stop loss, okay? Because getting here and having your stop loss around, like below this support could be something for you, or you can start slowly DCAing if you want to build your bags, and you're just gonna throw things in. But if you're talking about trading this coin, I'd wait for clear reclaim of this support at least, and see what the market conditions are, and having your stop losses then set based on that support. Come back, retest it, and just get back above level to level. It's really not well, it's really like, see, these are that's where the money is, right? This is still, we are on the daily chart, right? So if the sentiment changes, this is going to be the first money that's going to be grabbed. This is where you can look for your targets. This is where you can look for your load, like, you can load off a small bit when we start coming back up. But let Bitcoin settle, let Bitcoin pick a direction, or you change your mindset to, okay, if I'm trading, it is with a very small size, a very small size, small portion of my portfolio, just to get a feel of it, or I do feel good in trading, and I'm going to take some risks here. But in terms of investments, I personally am holding off on buying anything, especially in big amounts, because we can see totally like another annihilation of alts and another super bottoms. You see yourself how low that wicked. So that is 50% drop, which will give us 100% gains if we bounce off it. So it's worth it. And seeing, a change of direction as well, having that conviction, okay, this is support, Bitcoin is looking good, looking strong, I can risk this. I'm going to come up here to that support here, get something here, and we can come up here and get another, nice 40%. Am I correct to say this? Let's just measure real quick. If we come up here and reclaim all this, so it's nice, actually 50%, trading range. And if it holds and comes up to this, that's another 100%. So these are two scenarios again for me. I hope that is clear. If I haven't answered your question, shoot.
You've been absolutely smashing. Fantastic. Thank you very much, Marta, as always.
No bother. Thanks, Milky.